Hey there everyone, thank you all so much. This is me, Mrs. Isra, inviting you to revise some mathematics lessons while staying at home. Please stay safe these days. The first lesson we will revise is division, as we started at the first of the quarter, at the start of the quarter, sorry. In this PPT, we will go through as follows. The first step, we will know the components of the division operation. Second step is to know the steps we go through to use to divide easily. The third step is to solve together a couple of questions. Then you will practice by yourself and we will have a lot of fun and we will revise what we took. First, division is called division because we divide a number by another number to get another number and remainder another number. What's that I'm saying? The first thing you know is the dividend. Dividend is the greater number, is the number we want to divide. Let's say when I have 2 apples and I want to divide it between Omar and Layali. Then these 2 apples is called a dividend. Okay. The second component is called divisor. This divisor is the number we use to divide the dividend. Is the number we use to divide the dividend. The third component is called quotient. Quotient is the result we get when we divide. Let's say when I divide these 2 apples between Omar and Layali, then Layali will take 1 and Omar will take 1. This one is called quotient. And the first component is called remainder, and we not always find this remainder in our questions. This remainder, when I have, let's say, 7 cookies and I divide it by 2, then each one of you will take 3 and the remainder is 1. This remainder is our remainder we are talking about. In other words, it's called the leftovers. The steps we use to divide are 4 steps. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. And we always sing it as follows: divide, multiply, subtract, bring down, as we did it in our class. When I have 2 numbers, 100, and I want to divide it by 4, there are 4 steps I always follow. Yes, you are telling me the right answer. The first step, divide, then multiply, correct, third, minus, and then bring down. First, after I write these steps, first thing I do to write table 4, multiplication table 4. For means 4 multiply 1 up to 4 multiply 9. Okay, then I take the first number and I do the first step. How many multiply 4 give me 1? Is there anything in the world multiply 4 give me 1? No. So I write this 0 and I choose these 2 numbers 10. And yet again, how many multiply 4 give me 10? There is nothing multiply 4 give me 10, but there is something multiply 4 give me something near to 10. And remember, we always take the nearest smallest. The nearest smallest. So the nearest smallest is 8. When you multiply 4 multiply 2, maybe a bargain for my handwriting. Okay, 4 multiplied 2 give me 8. These two will go up there in the quotient, and this 8 will go down 10. Yet 2 multiply 4 give me 8. Then the second step we finished. The third step to make the difference, or to find the difference of 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 will give me 2. And then the fourth step is called bring down. It means when there a number after we divide, this number goes down besides the difference. So it became 20. And I start the steps once more. How many multiply 4 give me 20? This is easy. 4 multiply 5. Then I write the 5 up there, and I write the 20 down here. Then I'll do subtraction operation. 20 minus 20 give me 0. When I found the 0, it means our problem has finished. And I was doing this phase as a notice to know that the problem has ended. Don't do this in our quiz or exam. So once more, it's like we are in a bus and we want to reach our destination. The first destination we will go is divide. The second, multiply. The third, subtract. The fourth, bring down. 4 stations. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Another question, 965, and I want to divide it by 5. The first step, I draw our steps here. Divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Focus with me, please. In the second step, I go through multiplication by 5. 5 multiply 1 equal 5. In the class, we memorize it as a tongue. 5, 10, 15, correct, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, and 45. So I'll take the first number, 9. Is there any number multiply 5? Give me 9? Yes. No. There is nothing multiply 5 give me 9. But there is nothing multiply 5. There is something multiply 5. Give me something near to 9. And I'll take nearest to smallest. So when I choose 5 or 10, which is nearest to smallest. Yes, it's 5. So this one will go over here, and this 5 will go over there. I did the division, multiplication, and now I'll do the subtraction. 9 minus 5 will give me 4. Then the next number to be dropped is 6. How many multiply 5 give me 46? There is nothing multiply 5 give me 46, but there is something multiply 5 give me something near to 46, which is 9. 9 multiply 5 give me 45. Remember, we always take the nearest to smallest. The third, this is a third. You forgot to check your third and fourth steps. And yet again, they divide, multiply, and now I'll do the subtract. 6 minus 5 equal 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. I won't write 0 on the left. Then I drop the next number, which is 5. 15. How many multiply 5 give me 15? That would be 3. 15. How do I know that our problem has finished? There is nothing to be dropped again, and 15 minus 15 will give me zeros. Ta-da! Our problem has finished. Now time to solve this by yourself. Try to solve it by yourself and give me the answer on our Facebook page. 3A in your page and 3B in your page. You may also give me your answers as comments on this video. Stay tuned for other videos on the school channel. Please stay safe and try to reach me from time to another time, please. Thank you for following up. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.